So how do you stay focused on important things? In this video, I'm going over how to determine your priorities and how to focus on them coming up. Hey, if we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel, you'll find discussional topics to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. Also too, at any point in the video, make sure you check out the links and the show notes in the video description about today's topic, okay? Let's begin. We all have 24 hours in a day, right? How you use those hours plays a huge part of how much shit you get done. A guy named Zig Ziglar once said, the lack of direction, not the lack of time, is a problem. We all have 24 hours. The world is not distracted, it's our minds. So here are ways to help you stay focused on what really matters in life. So one of my mentors, Sean Cannell, has taught me to pick five things that really matter to me, right? And I want you to do the exact same thing. Pick five things. I said 5,000 times. Pick 5 things that are very important to you. It could be whatever. It could be family, it could be income, it could be time for learning, exercise, whatever it is. 5 things that are very important to you. We're gonna call these things buckets of priorities. The 5 buckets of priorities. Set time blocks for each time priority. If something doesn't align properly within your bucket of priority, you have the power to say no. Think about it. Every time you're saying yes to something, you're saying no to your own dreams. You're saying no to your own goals. If it is that you know that you have to study a particular craft, or learn a brand new skill, or even try to polish up some old ones, or you want to spend some more time with your family, if things doesn't fall aligned in that bucket, you don't have to do it. You do not have to do it. For example, one of the huge things for me right now is I'm trying to take better care of myself physically. If it is that I'm around people who are doing certain things and it doesn't really align within my buckets of priorities, I'm gonna say no. And you're goddamn right, I'm gonna say no. To go even deeper, each bucket could have their own little mini buckets inside, right? So this way you can actually focus within that bucket of niche, if you will. The idea is it will kind of teach you to block out anything that is irrelevant within those 5 buckets of priorities. This way you stay focused on what matters and you can actually level up yourself a lot better. And get this, focus isn't something that you have, it's actually a skill. It's a particular skill that you train your mind for. It's something that you acquire through training, mental training. Stay focused with a purpose. What is the end goal, or what is the main mission within that bucket of priorities? Focus on that. Don't forget to set deadlines. This brings your whole goals to life. How amazing would it feel to know that you accomplished something by a particular time? It will feel amazing. Challenge yourself. Describe what's on your mind. Literally take a paper and pen and write down everything of how you envision your goals. The more details you put into this, the stronger it becomes. The mind is like a desk. The more messier that desk is, the most likely you'll feel lost and you'll be wandering around. Shout out to Gustavo Rossetti for that analogy, because I didn't come up with that. That shit was lit. So how do you determine that you're the chosen one? So how do you stay focused? Scratch it. Alright, I'll do it all over again. Fuck, wasted so much time doing that shit.